Hi there, this is Christy. I'm a former school teacher slash college professor turned entrepreneur. I love working online. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about Etsy, and my favorite subject is print on demand. Why? Because you don't have to stock anything when you do print on demand. Here are some of my earnings from being an affiliate marketer, 94,000, 42,000. And about October 17, I began to really hone in on, my Etsy shop because I wanted to figure out how, to make income on Etsy. And right here, I'm up to 87 orders. I'm really excited about that. But one thing that is selling like hotcakes on Etsy is printables. And so I thought I'd do a video about printables and show you what to sell on Etsy. Now, if you go to the link below the video, I'm going to give you a quick PDF and I'm going to show you how to figure out what is selling on Etsy. So you're not going to have this, but in that that little guide, you're going to see how you can find out and get this to show up on your computer as well. Right now, if you go into Etsy's search bar, this tells you exactly what is selling today, and it's May 2018. Shark socks, wall art wood, custom Father's Day gift, handyman gift, Father's Day fishing, funny Father's Day keychain, bridal tiara, Father's Day grilling, rustic wood decor. Okay, now if we put in printables, you're going to see something interesting come up. This is what is selling. These figures are actually for Google. So in Google, 5,400 people a month are searching for a printable. That's how much you would pay per click if you did AdWords advertising. Printable wall art, printable Mother's Day cards, printable Mother's Day print, printable art, printable wedding invitation, printable quotes, printable planner stickers. 880 people a month are looking for that. 2,400 people a month are looking for printable baby shower invitations. Printable calendar. Look how many people a month. This is crazy right here. This right here shows you why some people are making a full-time living with printables. Printable calendar, 135,000 people a month are looking for a printable calendar. Now, if you just got a certain percentage of those people, you could actually make a great income from that if you did the right things. I don't guarantee income, but I guarantee that, I can show you someone who's doing it and doing it well, not just calendars, but printables. So with that being said, printable calendars, 135,000 a month. I want to introduce you to my friend, Michelle. I've talked to Michelle, and if you go to this page right here, you're going to see, and there'll be a link below to this page, you'll be able to watch Michelle interview her student, Amy, and Amy's going to tell you how she made her first $1,000 following Michelle's training on how to make a printable and then how to sell the printable. You can find videos for how to make a printable, but it's harder to find videos on how to actually sell them. Michelle has made over $30,000 in passive income, and she's made more than this. This is an older sales page, so she's made more than $30,000 in the last 2 years, all from selling printables on Etsy. And you're certainly, I think, if you're interested in making printables and making it either a side income or figuring out and following along with how Michelle made that much money, and actually that's a low estimate, you can watch her interview here with Amy, and she's going to tell you how to transfer this knowledge into printables. And it's an incredible market of people who love all things planner related. And you probably know, if you're watching this video and you clicked on it because of the title, that women, and I am one of them, so I can say women, we women absolutely love guides and planners and calendars, you know, and little doohickeys like this, little clothes, you know, little clips that look like clothespins. And you know, this I got because I just thought it was pretty, you know, and so I am one of them. I mean, it has pretty tabs. So I mean, I bought these kind of things myself, and I think, I don't know why we love them, but we love them. And if you love them and you think, wow, what an awesome opportunity that would be for me, then go to the link below and watch Michelle's video where she talks to her student. And then you'll see what's included in her course. She's going to show you how to design them. Then she's going to show you how to market them. That's the most important thing. It's two parts, okay? It's two parts. First, you have to know how to make a printable. And I'm going to come back full here. Okay, first you have to know how to create a printable that people want to buy. And secondly, you have to know how to get that printable in front of people that want to buy it. And Michelle's going to show you that. And now, if you pick up Michelle's course through my link, because that's an affiliate link, then you're also going to get a keyword guide that I created as a bonus. And what that will do for you is, it's three parts actually, I said too. First, you make the thing, then you put the thing in front of people, and then thirdly, you get organic or free traffic. In other words, I'm going to show you how to put keywords into your listings in a unique way that perhaps Michelle doesn't touch on, to help you make sure, excuse me, that you rank your listings, your printables that you make inside of Etsy. Okay, it's super fun. It's super easy once you understand how to do it. And so click on the link below. First of all, you're going to get a free guide from me. And then you're going to see, and it'll be coming into your inbox, in your email. And then it's going to redirect you to Michelle's planner, how to create printables. And it all goes along with planners. And like I said, we just love them. So what you want to do is you want to create something that people are already buying. And Michelle's going to show you how to do that. Okay? So this is Christy. Thanks for stopping by. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye now.